go ahead, let's power them on. Check it out. We have 6 of them installed, and we have that really nice, bright daylight light down here. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Bbounder LED recessed lights for 5 or 6 inch can fixtures. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. This is a 12-pack. 5,000 kelvins is the color temperature, but they have multiple options available if you want warmer light, cooler light, and different quantities. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual for our LED recessed downlights. So let's go ahead, let's open that up. You can see they walk you through a ton of information, 30-day return policy, 5-year warranty, QR code if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And they walk you through the installation process on the back side and some compatible dimmers. So you can see Lutron and Leviton dimmers, which ones are compatible. So be sure to look that over. Next, you can see we have a bunch of different clips and mounts as needed. So we have 12 of these. Then you can see we have our 12 adapters to go right into our light fixture. And then you can see what the recessed lights look like right here. So check it out. Everything's one piece, our trim and the light. This is going to connect to that adapter. And then we have our clips right here that we just pinch and get in place on our recessed lights. So now let's go ahead, let's get these installed. All right, so check it out. You can see we're at one of our can light boxes right here for our LED light. We already have it connected directly in, so you can see that. And then we have our clip mounts right here. There's gonna be one on each side. So can we see the other one too? So you can see it right there. So for this, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this metal piece, we're gonna bend it all the way back, have it really pinched together, touching itself basically. And then we're gonna thread it right through here, and then we can release it and it's gonna hold itself in place. So let's go ahead and do that now. So there you go. You can see what we're gonna do for both sides. Then we're just gonna gently press the light up and into place and power it on. All right, so there you go. You can see we just pressed it right up into the box, powered it on, and it looks great, really nice. Now let's go ahead, let's get the rest of them installed. All right, so here we go. You can see we don't have any of the lights on right now. Let's go ahead, let's power them on. Check it out. We have 6 of them installed. We have that really nice, bright daylight light down here. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.